Well, dang. What's up, y'all? He caught me in the middle of project. Found this old thing here. Out in the middle of, kind of out in the middle of the woods. It's rusted. Got some of this here, all busted up, but everything else seems fine. The wheel spins, I pump it up, but everything seems pretty good except for these handles. I'm getting there, but you gotta do what you gotta do. This thing's giving me trouble, so I hope it doesn't break. Sometimes the grinder helps things go a little bit easier. Let's mark it. One-handed. One-handed. Oh, let's try it. Oh, for the rip. Goodness. Well, I need this to be ripped. And I don't feel like waiting, so... there we go. Got me a free wheelbarrow. Cost me about $4 in new bolts. From found in the woods to finding its way through the yard. Bye.